Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 5th of September. And first of all, national news. He had a passion for life. Tata Sons chairman's tribute to Cyrus MISTRY. Visionary figure in business, leaders paid respects to Cyrus MISTRY. Road accidents killed 1.55 lakh in India in 2021, highest ever. Out of them, 44.5% were riders of two-wheelers. Russia, India, China trilateral has incredible potential for cooperation. Russian envoy. One village, one Ganpati. Concept embraced by several Maharashtra villages. Goa's Basilica of Bomb Jesus to be closed for 1 month for restoration work. Heavy rains, landslides blocked Jammu Srinagar National Highway. Russia India very motivated to ensure uninterrupted defense cooperation. Envoy. Assam Chief Minister appointed medalist Nayan Moni Sakai as senior police official. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh to begin 5-day visit to Mongolia, Japan on Monday. Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina praised India help during COVID-Ukraine war. Space Agency ISRO demonstrated new technology for future missions. India US 2+2 inter-sessional meeting and maritime dialogue next week. India's first drone prototype for organ transport unveiled by NITIN GADKARI. And now some international news. UK billionaire slammed on Twitter for calling employees working from home lazygets. Russia, India, China trilateral has incredible potential for cooperation. Russian envoy. Chinese leader Li Jianshu to visit Russia next week. Inhaled COVID vaccine got emergency use approval as booster in China. Ukrainian won top photojournalism prize for work during siege of Mariupol. Moon rocket launch definitely off the table in the current window. NASA. The next possible launch windows according to NASA are September 19 to October 4 and then October 17 to 31. And now some sports news. Will be first finalist Shoaib Malik's huge prediction ahead of India vs Pakistan Asia Cup Super 4 clash. Asia Cup India vs Pakistan Super 4 Deepak Huda and Ravi Bishnoi named Rishabh Pant included. And now news related to business. Forex reserves slumped by $3 billion as RBI defended rupee from record lows. India UK trade pact in final stages. Diwali deadline will not be missed. Commerce Secretary. India moving up power scale set to become third largest economy by 2030, experts said. Energy war raised as West caps Russian oil price. Moscow keeps gas pipe shut. Capital inflow hit 20-month high of Rs 51,200 crore in August. Biggest gas importer Petronet to invest Rs 40,000 crore in next 5 years. Paytm denied link with Chinese loan merchants under Enforcement Directorate scanner. Let's have a look of weather of New Delhi. On 5th of September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 37 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.